Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your 2005 Honda Accord. So what you're going to do is open the passenger side glove box. You are going to remove this hinge from its locked position on the drawer, and then after that you're going to push the drawer a little bit in on the right side, and that should unlock the drawer from its locked position. After that, you can see exactly where they put the air filter. So you're gonna remove this guy. There's two of them, two locks on each side. You're going to remove your cabin air filter. You can see this one's pretty dirty, it hasn't been changed. Once you remove the cabin air filter, you're gonna replace it with the new one. It should just fit right into the plastic frame that it has. Make sure you put it on correctly, and after that you just slide your cabin air filter back inside, and now you have a brand new cabin air filter on your 2005 Honda Accord. Put the glove box back, you just push it up, and then you take this hinge and make sure that it goes into the glove box just like that. Then just like that, you replace the cabin air filter on your Honda Accord. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.